Hey guys, JD here. Let's see what we can find. Alright, we're looking at the pound CAD here. And what we're seeing is a low push up, high lows closing above EMA. See if we can close on our top. I like it. It went. Strength currency meter, the pound is slightly stronger than the CAD, but hopefully that'll be enough for this setup, because we gotta turn up, turn break. Hopefully we're gonna retest a lot of areas. We could be coming here, here. See what we can get. Let's go, pound. Do what you do. Rejection, give us a chance, give us a chance. Push up, give us a chance, give us a little rejection, just give us a chance. Give us a chance, give us a chance. All right, now let's go, push up. Let's make this high here. If we can break strong, we may be able to actually go again. Come on, a little bit more, there we go, there we go. Now we gotta hold. And I'll go again on this candle. And we do got targets. I like what I'm seeing. 17 seconds to hold on. We see we still got targets up here, here, over here. Big strong push over here. So I'm going to go again. This one closes. 3, 2, 1. Say it with me. All right, so hopefully we just continue this push up. We got targets here, here, here. This can make for a real nice, quick, short day. All right, so we're heading into the last minute. We got good rejection on the last two candles. We just need this one to close on this top. Push out, push out, push out, push up. Okay, now taking out this. If this should form another higher low right here. If we can get the push up here. This again one of them second times where, hey, you just do nothing. You can just do nothing. Just stay where you are. You know, but give us the push. No, push up, push up, push up. There we go. Push up, push up. Just hold it. Yeah, just do nothing. Just sit tight. Relax. Relax, market, relax. You know, no need to do anything. No need to do anything. No. Ah. Tough one. It's looking very promising. Yeah, I might have tried to push the issue with two back to back like that. All right, now we're looking at this Euro CAD, because on the strength meter, the Euro gained a bar. CAD is staying pretty constant, but sometimes you catch these currencies when they're starting to get stronger. And the Euro is getting stronger in two different areas. Here and on the Euro CAD. Let's go Euro strength. We're gonna go Euro strength across the board here. Let's go Euro. All right, we're headed to the final minute. Euro USD. Push up, push up. Ooh, this is making a. We can get the low, push up, higher low. We can go again right here. Both of these are gonna be nail biters. Push up. Come on, Euro. Let's go, euro. Let's go, euro. Come on, push up, euro. Push up, euro. Come on, euro. Push up, push up, push up. Break higher than that EMA. Break higher than that EMA. There we go. There we go, euro. Good break. Good one. That's in the bag. That's in the bag. And we got this final low, push up, higher low for our final trade of the day. All right, we're down to the last minute. That lower high is working as we expected. Euro strength came into the market as we saw and was hoping. So we got 36 seconds to hold on here. Good though, this will be a good trading day also. This will put us to 4 out of 5. That's always a good trading day. Great trading day. So let's count this one down. Let's count this whole day down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say it with me.
Easy money.
Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. In this video, we are just going to do a recap on my trading day. So we had a great trading day today. We went 4 out of 5. For those of you who don't know, my personal, trading strategy or part of my trading plan when I'm trading binary options market is to only take 5 trades, right? I'm trying to really take 2 to 5 trades a day. My goal is to get 2 net wins. All right. So in any type of trading environment, wherever you're trading, you need to have a goal and a plan. All right. And then after you have your goal and your plan, you have to develop the discipline to stick to your goal and your plan, because that's really what's going to make the difference. All right. It really, the line of becoming a profitable trader is so thin. Many times it comes down to you following your trading plan. It comes down to you saying, all right, I'm in this trade. My risk to reward ratio is a 1 to 2. I'm not going to mess with the trade. I'm going to let it play out. That's hard to do because once you're in the trade, and it can be uncomfortable, even when you're up, right? That's the crazy thing. That's the irony about trading. You can be up in a trade and have more stress than when you're down because you don't want to give back those profits. But when it comes to trading, you have to develop the mental discipline to stick to your plan, whatever that plan may be. So in binary options, my plan is to take 5 trades. Another part of my plan is to only take trades with a name. All right. So in today's recap, we took 5 higher low setups. Every setup was a higher low. So I was successful today in following my trading plan and only taking trades that have names. All right. That has a name. Okay. And so you have to hopefully you've watched the channel enough to learn some price action setups, and you can focus on only taking price action setups or trades that have a name. Right. So we did that today. We took all trades that had names. We stopped at 5. Right. So whether I had won or lost, I was successful today. Right. No, well, let me say this. Let me say it this way. Whether I had won or lost, which we had a winning day, we went 4 out of 5, but regardless of the results, right, I did my job. All right. Look at it that way. That's what I really want to say. Regardless of the turnout, I did my job. I took trades that had a name. Then I only took 5. So I didn't overtrade. I didn't take bad trades. What else could you have did? I waited for the candles to close, right? So I just followed the rules. I just followed the simple rules of the trading plan. And the results, the fruit came out in my favor this time. It's not always the case. You know, you could do everything I just said, still have a losing day. But if you do everything I just said, typically, in my experience, you're going to have more winning days than losing days. All right. And one of the most important parts of this, especially in the binary options market, is that 5 trades. Because I know you're out here, if you're watching me on YouTube, you're watching other people on YouTube, and I know you see people hitting that buy button or sell button 5-10 times on the same setup. I just want to warn you against that. Because it's great when it works, right? It's great when it works, but always think about, what if it don't work, right? How are you going to feel if you lose 25% of your account in one trade? How are you going to feel if you lose 50% of your account in one trade? You're going to stop caring. I'm gonna tell you right now how you're gonna feel. You're gonna be so disgusted that you just lost 25% of your account. Nothing matters after that. Nothing else matters. And then you're gonna take a whole bunch more dumb trades, right? Don't try to get rich in one day. All right. Don't try to flip your account in one day. Set a small, accomplishable goal, right? And get good at hitting that goal every day. Right. And over time, trading is a long haul, right? Don't stop trying to, people, please stop thinking of trading as a casino, because in the binary options market, that's what it is. People treat binary options like it's a casino. And guess what? The house always wins. So don't treat binary options like it's a casino. Treat binary options just like you would treat Forex. Treat binary options just like you would treat futures, you know? So like if you're scalping in futures, I would suggest no more than 4 trades a day. Hey, if you can't get it done in 2 to 4 trades, it's probably not your day. Same thing I do in binary options. If I can't hit my goal in 5 trades, it's probably not my day, and I'm probably not going to do it. And because I've been doing this long enough, and I went through a nice streak of journaling all my trades, I started to see a pattern. Like, hey, for me, now this is me. You're going to have to find out what your pattern is. I started to see a pattern that once I get up to 8 trades, 10 trades, man, my discipline, my patience, my awareness, my ability to care about my business, it starts to tank. It just does. So if I'm up around 10, 11 trades, I already know I'm having a bad day. I'm probably losing my shirt, and I'm in jeopardy of overtrading to the point I may blow my account out. So to remedy that, since I know that that's the case personally for myself, 5 trades. I'm taking 5 and I'm done. All right. So that's just a little tip I wanted to give you guys on this. You know, that's why I take 5. And I'm not saying you have to take 5. I'm saying find a number. I'm saying pick a goal. Make it accomplishable for yourself. Make it accomplishable for your skill level. You know, you want easy days, right? You want to try to make this as easy as possible. And I'm trying to tell you, the market is a dangerous place. So get in, get out. You don't want to be taking 10, 20 trades every day. It's not, believe it or not, less is better in these markets. In these markets, get in, snatch your, whatever it is you're trying to get out, and call it a day. The market is a dangerous place. You don't want to be playing in this market. All right. So we took 5 higher lows today. All right. And so what helps me out, also, this is also binary options, man. What has been helping me, so I mean, it's like night and day as far as a helper, that currency strength meter, right? If you notice, every setup I had checked the currency strength meter before I took it, right? So when I looked, pound was strong. It wasn't 6 bar strong, but it was 5 bar strong. It had a green bar. It was strong. It was slightly stronger than the CAD. Sometimes that make a difference, right? Sometimes that makes a difference. But I also want to say, when you're using the strength currency meter, go back, look over some other currency pairs, find some correlation, right? Because sometimes let's say the pound got 6 bars, the CAD only got 1, right? But when you look, the trend has already happened, right? The trend has already happened. So it's real easy to get caught in the retracement too, right? So you want to know what's strong right now. And you want to see that whatever trade you're thinking about taking matches up with the strength currency meter. You have a setup this matching up, you have a setup that has a name, then maybe you got something. And that's what happened for us today. So on that first call, it was a higher low. Now, I typically like to have that trade have a little bit more space in between the entry candle and the 21 EMA. Reason being is because the EMA is a moving average. It's the average price. So when prices are down here, far away from it, the EMA will act as a magnet and pull you back to it. So on that first setup, I typically do like it to set up. It gives me some space. But in that particular instance, we had a pretty nice strong candle. Again, the currency strength meter pound was stronger. I went with it. Hey, it worked, right? Then I tried to do it again, tried to ride the wave, because it actually did make another lower high. But I'll tell you, that trade there is just, it's not as high a percentage, right? It is a higher low. It had a big, strong signal candle. But just from trading experience, I can tell you that it's not as high as percentage as waiting for a higher low that's going to bounce off the EMA, which came 3 bars later. And I don't show that in the video, but 3 candles later, we saw that big entry candle I went on. Then, well, you saw the 2 reds back because I lost. The very next candle pushed up hard. So that would have been another lower high, but this one would have been off the EMA. That one is wifey's trade, people. All right. If you've ever heard me say wifey's trade, but didn't know what I was talking about. When you get the, let's just say green, red, green above the 21 EMA, and that signal candle was bouncing off the EMA, closes higher than everything to the left, that's wifey's trade. That is a high probability higher low. Now, the one that I took where the signal candle was just coming through the EMA, I'll say that one is maybe 65%. Maybe 65%. But the one that's happening above the EMA, now that one is in probably the 70s, if not 80s. All right. There's a significant difference. I've taken a lot of higher lows. There's a significant difference in the higher low that happens under the EMA and the one that happens above it, right? I personally take them all, but I'm not surprised that I lost trade too. It's kind of what I'm trying to get to, right? I'm not, that wasn't no shocker. You'll see later, we actually pulled it off on the final trade, but in this case, it lost, and that's how it is. Nothing is 100%, right? And then we got the Euro CAD. Now, this one was kind of that going on the Euro on both of them. That was kind of ballsy. I'm gonna say, it worked out. Now, again, it was the strength currency meter. I noticed that the Euro had gained some strength, and so here's the thing about it. Now, the CAD had been strong against it, the dollar had been strong against it, but those trends had really run their course. They had run their course. And the CAD was losing a little strength and the dollar was losing a little strength. They were still stronger than the Euro. But when I looked at the meter, I kind of pay attention to all of them to see who's strong. So I in my subconscious, consciously, I knew that the dollar and the CAD had lost a little bit, had lost a bar. The Euro had gained a bar, right? So these are 3-minute trades. I don't need to be right for a long time. I need to be right for 3 minutes. So when you see something gaining strength, and then I had 2 to compare. I had looked at the Euro CAD. I had looked at the Euro dollar. They both was moving up, right? The Euro was gaining strength. And again, I only need 3 minutes. I only need 3 minutes. So we went with it. We went with them both, right? We went with them both. And I had only taken 2 trades at that point. So I had the liberty to take 2 shots like that. I'm not open trading. I had reason to take them. Boom, and they worked out, right? And then the last setup was what I hoped was going to happen on that second trade, right? I hoped that I had just caught some momentum, another higher low. This time it worked out, right? This time it worked out, and this trade was easy breezy, very comfortable. Great way to end the trading day. It got me to another price level that I've been trying to get to. Great trading day, right? Great trading day. But I did some things right. Every trade had a name. I used the strength currency meter. I paid attention to the correlation, right? I was paying attention to what currency was gaining strength. I waited. I got good signal candles, right? I didn't try to get in early. I waited. I basically did everything right today. Honestly, I basically did everything right today, and we went 4 out of 5. And that's what happens when you follow your trading rules. When you follow your trading rules and you follow your trading plans, you have many more successful days than bad days. And that's how it was today. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope, this shines some light on your trading plan, and just to see how a trading day can go and can be. Hey, in binary options, treat it, trade real pairs. All right. Let me say that. If you're trading binary options, trade real pairs. So then you can have the advantage of the strength currency meter. You can have the advantage of seeing pairs getting stronger at the same time. You can have advantage of using correlation. There's just so many more advantages to trading real pairs binary options. So again, if you're trading in binary options, trade the real pairs, use your advantages, and you'll probably have more consistent success. All right. You can do this on OTC also, just taking good setups. But why, when you can trade real pairs, take good setups, and had a benefit of knowing what currency is strong right now? Just saying, just a tip to throw that out at the end of the video. All right. So follow your trading plans, get a trading plan. And let me just say that I have updated my trading plan. Some of you probably have downloaded it before. It's a free trading plan. I've updated it now with a lot of this information about trading the real pairs and having a trading plan. So if you want to re-download that, it's free. Just go to my website, download that. It's free for anybody. So check it out. Yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this one. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye. Remember to stick to your plans. It will make all the difference in the world. Check out this video right here.